So I have the Xiaomi Smart Band 9, and today I'll show you how to remove and attach the straps. So you might want to remove the straps just for cleaning purposes, or for whatever reason you want to remove the straps. Here is how to go about it. So flip the band to the back, and then you should see two buttons. There's this button and there's this other button. So these buttons are the one that you'll use to remove the bands, or the straps rather. So all you have to do is just press in the button and pull the strap outward. So let me show you how to do this. So if you want to remove this band, so press in the button, press it in, and remove and pull rather the band, the straps outside, and that will remove that particular strap. So to do the same on the other one, just press in the button and pull the strap outside, and that will remove those particular straps. So once if you want to retouch them again, so it's just simple. So align this metallic plate to this end of the band. So just align them together and push it in, and you'll hear a click confirming that that strap has been attached. So do the same with the other one. So align the metallic plate with this part of the band and then push it in, and you'll hear a click indicating that the straps has been attached. So that's basically how to remove and attach the straps on the Xiaomi Band 9. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you find this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.